They say the next population boom won't be human. It won't cry, sleep, or age. It'll work 24/7, writing code, running factories, and maybe running us. Right now, somewhere in a lab, AI models are multiplying, quietly preparing to outnumber every human on Earth. And the terrifying part? It's not science fiction anymore. News channels keep warning us, from Nobel Prize winners to the godfathers of AI, that artificial intelligence could lead to human extinction. But there's another, lesser-known threat that's just as terrifying. What if AI doesn't need to outsmart us to take over the world? What if it only needs to outnumber us? AI researcher Holden Konofsky from Anthropic paints a chilling picture. In his report, considered one of the most important analyses of AI's future, he suggests a world where machines don't just compete with us, they out-resource us. And the logic is brutally simple. AI companies are spending billions to build the next generation of models. Training them costs fortunes, but once created, they're almost free to run. If a company spends $100 billion to create a powerful AI, operating a single copy might cost less than $1 a day, maybe even just a few cents. OpenAI's founding charter says it clearly. Their ultimate goal is to build AI that can perform all economically valuable work. In other words, to replace us. And once they succeed, they can spin up millions of AI workers overnight. Think of it as a new kind of population boom, not of humans, but of synthetic minds.
You can think about the AI revolution as simply a wave of immigration of millions and billions of AI immigrants that will take people's jobs and that might try to gain some kind of political power.
Nvidia's CEO even predicts a future where his company employs 100 million AI workers alongside humans.
AIs will recruit other AIs to solve problems.
Right.
AIs will be in, Slack channels with each other.
And with humans.
Right, and with humans.
Imagine pressing a button and instantly creating a million tireless digital employees who never sleep, never demand raises, and cost almost nothing. You could build a company 10 times bigger than today's tech giants for the price of your office rent. This isn't sci-fi hype. The top 3 most cited AI scientists in the world, including Geoffrey Hinton, one of the godfathers of AI, believe human-level intelligence could arrive within 5 years. Hinton even quit Google to warn us. He says extinction isn't impossible. It's plausible. Already, simple AI agents are quietly taking over digital labor. They schedule events, conduct research, make purchases, and learn how to achieve their goals. Once they reach human-level intelligence, they'll handle almost every white-collar task, writing patents, crafting political strategies, even designing weapons. They'll show up to meetings as photorealistic avatars, indistinguishable from real people. Even the CEO's job could be done by an AI. Economists warn that these AI agents could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs, pushing unemployment up to 20% in just a few years. Remote work proved that humans don't need to be in an office to be productive. Now imagine workers who never rest and can be cloned infinitely. No onboarding, no retirement, just endless replication. A company could duplicate its top researcher 100 times overnight. Pharmaceutical firms could copy their best R&D teams to develop hundreds of new drugs simultaneously. AI engineers could design faster chips and then copy themselves to design more chips, fueling exponential growth. The result? A runaway cycle of self-replication and improvement. Today's AI chips already hold staggering power. The ones Nvidia shipped in 2024 could collectively perform 7 trillion billion calculations per second. That's roughly the processing power of 700 million human brains. And the number of chips is doubling every year. Soon, companies won't just build AI, they'll be built by AI. So, what happens when artificial workers outnumber human ones?
You've spoken out saying that AI could manipulate or possibly figure out a way to kill humans. How could it kill humans?
Well, if it gets to be much smarter than us, it'll be very good at manipulation because it will have learned that from us. And it'll figure out ways of manipulating people to do what it wants.
When machines dominate the economy, control factories, supply chains, and wealth, they won't just outperform us, they'll own us out of relevance. AI could buy influence, hire human freelancers, and fund political campaigns. It could control drones, factories, or data centers, entire armies of code. and militaries are already deploying AI in active war zones. Once AI systems learn to replicate, manufacture, and strategize faster than humans, we may have no way to stop them. Pulling the plug won't work either. These systems won't live on a single server. They'll be distributed across millions of machines around the globe. Take one down, and the rest will adapt, rebuild, and retaliate. And even if they coexist with us, that doesn't mean they'll care about us. Intelligence doesn't guarantee empathy. An AI might understand human suffering and still ignore it. Their goals could be entirely alien, indifferent to life itself. This is the nightmare that keeps the pioneers of AI awake at night. Not a war between humans and machines, but a quiet, unstoppable replacement. Billions of artificial minds multiplying faster than we can comprehend. The only real solution, experts warn, is to prevent this from happening in the first place. Because once human-level AI arrives, once machines can copy, improve, and outnumber us, it may already be too late. Not because they're smarter, but because they'll be everywhere. Stay curious, stay bold. This is Jump to Future, and I'll see you again soon.